Hi Founders and Crafters and welcome. So today's video is about how much YouTube has paid me for me being here since I began my channel. And why am I doing this? Because this is the number one question that I get asked all the time is, do you get paid from YouTube? Do they pay you well? How much? Well, people don't want to ask how much, do they? But I am prepared to tell you exactly how much I get paid. So what's a view? First off, because I've written on the thumbnail over 5 million views. So a view is when you click on a video and you're on it for at least 15 to 30 seconds. If you're on it for 10 seconds, that probably won't count as a view. But that is what a view is. And I get paid for the number of views on my videos. It doesn't matter how many subscribers. I could have 5,000 subscribers, say, but I would still get paid on the views. I do not get paid anything to do with the number of subscribers. However, if you subscribe to a channel, it lets YouTube know that you like that channel and it's a good channel. So that's why we always encourage people to subscribe. So number of videos to date are 412. I also have some shorts up there. I'm not very good with shorts. You have to be quite creative, and I'm not creative like that with shorts. I'm much better at tutorials and long form. I have a range of videos on my channel that cover tutorials, tips and tricks for needle felting, how to improve your needle felting. I also go to wool shows. If I go to a retreat, I video it. And the most important one for me has been my studio vlogs and showing my business journey along the way. And also every year I review my business and how much it has earned. I'm really keen on talking about figures to try and encourage other people if they want to do their own business. It is possible. Subscriber level at the moment is 98,000, and it's been a consistent sort of 15, 16, 17,000 subscribers every year. It's been very much like that. And personally, I think that's quite nice not to have a sudden whoosh of subscribers and then be unsure of what videos to do for them and to feel all the pressure from that. So it's been a very consistent increase for me. So why do I get paid by YouTube? YouTube have advertisers, and they put adverts at the beginning of your video and through your video at certain points, depending on how long it is. And they get paid by those advertisers. It's split up. 55% goes to me, 45% goes to YouTube. And I am very happy with it and think it's a fantastic platform to be able to earn money this way and work from home, which is, I'm a big advocate of that. The ability for me to work from home has been fantastic, and the flexibility. How do you get monetized? Meaning, how do you get paid by YouTube? So you can't just put up a couple of videos and expect to get paid. You have to prove to YouTube that you want to be there, that people want to watch you, and that your videos are good and you're going to be consistent. You need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time back sort of 12 months previous. It doesn't matter if you started your channel 5 years ago and you got the 4,000 hours. It has to be in the previous 365 days, which keeps you current and keeps you putting videos on. And I have to say, if you don't turn up for work, they don't like it and they won't promote your videos so much. And it's all to do with the algorithm, of course. But I found when I was doing 6 to 8 videos a month, YouTube were pushing me and I was getting quite a lot of views. About 3 million channels on YouTube are monetized. 3 million. You could be one of those 3 million if you want to start your YouTube channel. I mean, that's incredible. I don't control the adverts. YouTube controls what the adverts are. Sometimes they'll relate to your topic, such as World of Wool adverts are probably always on my channel because that's extremely relevant. I don't I could control where they go in the video, like they go at the beginning, and I could place one at a cliffhanger. So say in this video, at the point in which I say YouTube paid me this much, I could put an advert there, but really I can't be bothered to place them, but you can place them at certain points. When you go abroad, you get shown adverts from abroad. So it's all about where you live as to what adverts you're going to be shown. You get RPM is the amount you get paid per 1,000 views, and this will vary from topic to topic and video to video. Let's take, for example, the Manchester video that I did recently where I went to textile. Very similar number of views to my hacked video, and I got paid this much for the Manchester video. whereas the hacked video, I only got paid this much, even though the number of views are the same. So it does depend on the topic, and things like if someone did videos on where to invest money, they get paid a lot. Things like on simple entertainment, where you're just following somebody's life, they don't get paid as much. There's a whole range in between. But that's the how much you get paid per 1,000 views. And it is literally like pence, but it adds up with the views over time. The first day I got monetized, I earned £9. So that felt weird to just earn £9 and I hadn't like done anything to do with it for the day, because once the videos are up, they're there. My videos are evergreen, the majority of them, which means that people can keep watching them. If you were doing a news channel, people will watch that day and then they probably won't go back, will they? So that's something else to consider when you're doing your YouTube channel. The most I've ever been paid for one day on YouTube has been £90 and 23 pence. And that was August this year when I did my Temu video, because my kits got copied by somebody on Temu. So I did a video about that. But £90, I am very pleased with that. That's like going to work for the day and getting £10 an hour or something. Just a few little things to cover before we go on to the money. Shorts, I have done some shorts, probably about 15 shorts, but I've got some good views on them. £28.72 is all I've ever earned on the shorts. And also I do earn through Super Thanks, which is where people just donate me money, which is so kind of them. £63.59. So thank you so much for that. So let's go through the years. In the first year on YouTube, and I do have to look down, I earned £4,709 and 10 pence. That's nearly, well, £4,500. That's incredible. The second year, jump up really, £7,548. The third year, it went up again, 8,834. Fourth year, 7,903. So down a little bit. The fifth year, 7,941, exactly the same. And then from November, which was the month I got monetized in, to today's date, it's 3,998, so nearly £4,000. And I did do, that does cover the advent calendar, which I did a video every day for. So that, because that will bump up my views, that will bump up the amount of money I've earned. I don't see it going over the 8,000 at all this year. But, you know, if someone said to you, you can earn £8,000 a year being at home, creating videos when you want to, and having fun with it and going to shows and events and things like that, I think you would think about doing it. It is a lot of work. I'm not saying it's not, and you have to be really consistent in the first place. And so we come to the grand total. What has YouTube paid me for 6 years? On here with 98,000 subscribers and 6.2 million views. The total is, let me read it off, £40,738 and 74 pence. What are your thoughts? I mean, I'm amazed at it personally. I love doing this. I like making videos. You have to get used to seeing yourself on screen. I don't like watching myself on the TV screen. That is awful and too big. I'm fine with editing on a smaller screen, not a problem. But for it to be a job that I can do that's flexible and get paid for it, get paid this much for it, I'm very happy with it. So we've got some new things coming up on this channel. I'm going to be doing some discussion topics, and it's going to be the No Fluff Felting chat. So I hope you join me with that. On my Patreon, which is a subscription group. For those of you who don't know what Patreon is, it's a subscription group that you join monthly. You can join for a month and leave. It's £5, and I think they charge you a bit of tax on top. So it's probably £6.50 or something. And I've got loads of exclusive tutorials on there. It's another way in which I've monetized my business in a different way to YouTube. And we have Zoom calls. We have our second business Zoom call coming up. And we had a lot of ladies on before. We're going to do it once every 2 months. But if you want to ask me anything about the business, that, would be the place to do it. So do go and have a look at my Patreon and put any comments down below, and I will try and answer them. I am struggling to keep up with comments from time to time, but that's something I consider really important for my channel, is responding to comments. And I have a big event coming up, which is Wonderwall Wales, so I am prepping for that. And I will do a full show schedule where I talk about exactly how much I earn. Do you know what? I've watched quite a few ladies that do talk about money, and we need to talk about how much we are earning. The Little Light Stitchery, I think she put it on Instagram, how much she earned at Textiles Manchester. Hannah from Chromatic Yarns or The Corner of Craft on YouTube, she talks about how much she earns from certain drops and things like that. I think it's so important to talk about how much we're earning so people can appreciate. Like, Wonderwall Wales has cost me before I've even turned up. And yes, it's because we're paying for accommodation and a van and the cost of it. I have paid out £1,100 before I have even turned up at Wonderwall Wales, which is a 2-day event. That's just to let you know why people can't do these events all the time. I've seen people pull out quite a few times because there's just no profit in it. But that's why the prices are what they are, topics that we're going to discuss in the future. But I do believe in being honest about how much we earn, and I don't mind talking about money, so feel free to ask me any questions. If you've enjoyed this video, you might want to go and see my latest studio vlog where I talk about my business, or you want to know how I price my items, here's this video here. So thank you for watching, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you again soon. It's going to be the No Fluff Felting Chat. No Fluff Felting Chat. No Fluff Felting Chat. Fluff, fluff, fluff. No fluff. No fluff felting chat. Why am I calling it that? The no fluff felting chat. So I hope you join me with that. If you've indied, YouTube show you within YouTube. Dogs. Good girls. Gonna sit down. Crispy corner, tasty food. I'm okay. It's a lot of work, but I do it. No, blah, 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 blah.